Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. When I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope you guys are having a good week so far. It's Friday. Yay, happy Friday. My week was good. Yeah, sorry again about the loud noise. It's my air conditioner. It's getting to be summer. I think it's summer tomorrow. Is it the 20th? I don't know. Anyway, it's close to summer. It's getting hot in New York, and like I said in my previous video, my room becomes an oven just the way the sun sits on it from both. Yeah, so I'm sorry, I have to have the air conditioner on, otherwise like I start sweating and then I get like over. Anyway, for this video I am doing another edition of my Zodiac inspired eye looks. So what I do is I take my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palettes. They have 3, but one of them is a Zodiac crystal palette, which I do have, which I have to do in a video. I don't think I've actually used it in a video. It's really nice. But then they have these other 2, which is, these are actually like have the Zodiac signs as the colors in the shadow. And what I do is I do my look based on the current Zodiac sign. So right now we're in Gemini, which I believe goes through tomorrow, and then we switch into Cancer. And then I pick the Gemini out of this one and out of the Love Signs palette, and I have to do a look using those 2 colors, no matter if they're close or almost the same or very different. I have to figure out how to use them. I can use any other colors, like, because these have mattes and stuff around them too, from this palette to create the look with, but I have to use the 2 colors that are the Zodiac signs that are now, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure if I said that right. So anyway, I also wanted to say I've been following like a lot of really great people on YouTube, and I'm really behind on watching everyone's videos, so I apologize if you saw me like a couple of weeks ago and then haven't seen me in a while. I'm slowly trying to get through everybody's. There's so many awesome people on there, and there's just so many videos to watch, and so I apologize, but yeah, I'm still there, still subscribed, still like your videos, so I'm sorry if you haven't seen me in a while. I know it takes like I mean, it's a lot. Like, there's just so many really great people, and you just want to support so many people. So anyway, the color Gemini in these 2 palettes, I shall show you. So in the Love Signs palette, it's this awesome like magenta or fuchsia color. I'll be honest, do you guys know the difference between like what's magenta and what's fuchsia? Is one is more purpley than the other, right? As like a makeup person who likes color, I should probably know the difference, and I don't. That's embarrassing. And then the original Zodiac sign is this awesome silver right here. And I sort of have an idea of what I want to do, so I'm hoping that it'll come out the way I want it to. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into creating a Gemini inspired eye look. Okay, so like I always do, I started by priming my eyes with my Louise Base in 0.5, and I'm going to jump into the Zodiac Love Signs palette, and I'm going to jump in to the brownishy color right above Gemini. And I'm just gonna pick that on a pretty like fluffy brush. Look at this little brush. It's a cat. I got this in my cat lady box. It's so cute. I've used it once before. They work pretty well. And I'm just going to put that in my crease and socket area, just in a back and forth motion, kind of all over. I like this color because it's a brown, but it leans more towards like a pinky color. And like I said before, I think that this palette, the BH shadows in these palettes are so good for the money. I believe these palettes retail, I think they're still available for only like $24 or something like that. And I mean, sorry, it's the only thing that's a crease a little bit. What I was saying about these palettes is I find that the mattes are just very smooth, and they just go on really pigmented. They have a lot of color payoff right off the bat. Like, I just dipped my brush once, and this is how it's looking so far. I also like these palettes because they have the highlights in the middle. So I'm actually wearing the highlight on my face from the original Zodiac palette, and I'm actually gonna pull for my brow bone area. I'm gonna use a combination of this white right here with the highlight from the Zodiac Love Signs palette, because I like those two mixed together. And then I just want to take the brush that I'm using for my blending brush and just go through. So now I'm going to jump ship, and I'm going to jump into the BH Cosmetics Original Zodiac Palette, and I'm going to go into the purple right above Gemini. So normally I don't usually get to use the color that's like the matte right above the color that I'm using of like the Zodiac, because for some reason like in my head those colors just don't work with the look that I'm doing, but for this one they actually do, so I'm really excited. So I'm just going to use another Cat Lady brush, and I'm just going to pick that up. And I am going to go in to the lower part of my crease, and there is a decent amount of fallout with this color, but I think I didn't tap off enough, so I think that was actually my fault. And then I just want to take the brush that I had the brown on and just blend it between the two. And then go back in with the purple again. So like that, and I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. I want to jump back into the Love Signs palette, and I'm going to go into the color Gemini, and I'm going to pick that up, and I'm just going to take it on this flat brush right here, and I'm going to just pick it up, and then I'm going to spray it with some water, because I love the way BH Cosmetics baked shadows go on wet. They just go on so beautifully. And I am just actually going to apply this all over my mobile lid. Now I just want to take that, or I can drop the brush too. Take up that brush that I had the purple on and just kind of go where they meet and just blend it out a little bit. And now I'm just going to repeat that on the other eye. So it'll be looking like this so far. So off camera I just finished up this eye, and then on my left eye I just put Colourpop's gel liner in the color Boots on my waterline. And on my mobile lid I just used this LA Girl Glide On gel liner in the color Paradise Purple. So for my lower lash line I'm going to dip back into that purple that I used on my crease area. And I'm just going to put that under there. Like that. And then I did not forget to use the other Gemini. I'm going to pull it in, and I'm going to use it as my inner corner highlight. And again, I'm just going to spritz the brush a little bit with water because I do love the way they go on. My right eye is bothering me. I don't know what I did. It has no rhyme or reason. Like, it just decides randomly when it's going to start being irritated. And I don't know. I know it's not like the shadows or anything because I've used this palette for years. So I just have allergies and it's just annoying. So it's looking like this so far. This is my final look right here. I really like how it came out. It's kind of like this purple vampy look, so I'm definitely feeling it. I love pink and purple anyway, so I think this might be like one of my favorite Zodiac looks I've done. But yeah, I personally really like it. You don't have to like it, that's totally fine. I mean, makeup is so about your opinion and everything, but I really enjoy it. So then I just finished my look up with this MAC lip gloss. It was like in collaboration with the movie Maleficent, I believe. And this is called Revenge is Sweet, and I just thought it was a good color to it's not too much for this very bright eye look. So yeah, so I am pretty happy with how this look came out. I'm enjoying it a lot. I know you can never see what shirts I'm wearing, but like it does have like purple, like the colors of the eyeshadow are actually in the shirt, so it works out pretty well. So anyway, if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I will still send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we all are biased when it comes to our fur babies. But oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!